Here's a way you can create a new listing on eBay for your postcards that will actually give you a boost in the search and hopefully make you more money. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm inside my computer. I wanted to do this video just to show you how I go about relisting my postcards when they don't sell, when they roll over to the next month, without using the actual relisting tool. And this is a way that can give you a boost in the search in eBay, and hopefully this will help you make more money. So as you can see on my screen, I'm in my eBay Seller Hub right here. If you're not hooked into your Seller Hub, you need to get that. And there's plenty of YouTube videos that will show you how to do that. And what you want to do is hover your mouse over the Listings tab and then go to your Unsold folder. Okay? Once you've ended your listings early, like I'm talking maybe, I don't know, anywhere from an hour to a couple hours before it's due to expire and just roll over by itself, all your active listings that you've ended will end up in this Managed Unsold Listings folder. Now I have 6 in here that I'm working on. It's a process called Sell Similar. Okay, and what this will do is it'll give your listing a brand new item number, so it won't carry over all that bad data. Because if it carries over all that bad data from a previous listing, your buyers are going to see that. They might see 150 views, and they'll go, it hasn't sold, 150 views. No, I'm not going to buy it. So this will give it all new data, and it'll treat it just like a brand new listing. And hopefully that'll give you a bump in search, and you'll sell the item. Okay, you'll sell the postcard. So here we are. I'm going to go down to the first postcard right here, and we're going to click on Sell Similar right here. And that's going to bring up the listing. I'm going to check the title, make sure everything's good there. Now, one of the things I've been doing lately is checking the SKU number, which is how I find my items when I sell one, my postcards. And the only reason I'm doing that is because I've had 3 or 4 occasions where I was using an old template from a previous listing, and unfortunately I forgot to change the SKU number, and it ended up with an old SKU number, and then I had to go through my entire inventory to find that postcard, and that took a little while. So I'm just checking it just to make sure. It says PC 877. This is my code. And that way when you sell something, it shows up as your SKU number. And I'm going to open a folder here where I keep all my images. And that was 877. So we're going to scroll down here. And where is it? 886 or 877 right there. Okay, you got that picture right there. 877. Now we're going to go back to eBay and cross-reference that photo, and it's the same photo. Great. Okay, I've noticed right here that I usually keep a third photo of a image that I took of one of the envelopes that I ship my items in, just to give my customers a reassurance that they're going to get their postcard safely. So that, for some reason, isn't there. So I'm going to go to the file for that, and I'm going to add that. There you go. And that'll add that third photo in there. All right, now we're going to look at the rest of the listing here. And I'll scroll down. Everything looks good. Cards unposted. Yes, it is. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Price is right, $6.25. And free shipping. Yep, everything looks good. So we're going to list that item. Now, what we're going to do, we're not going to go to Create Similar. We're going to go to I'm Done Now. Click on that. And then we're going to go over to the item, click the little box, and then just go over to Action and hit Delete. And it will take it out of that folder. That way you don't accidentally relist something twice when you don't, when you only, let's say you only have one postcard or something, you don't want to relist it twice accidentally, and then somebody buys that second copy, of the postcard, and you don't have it. So that eliminates that. So we're going to go do another one right now. We're going to click on Sell Similar. Okay, we're going to look at the photo. Yep, airplane on the ground. I love airplanes, aircraft, anything to do with aviation or transportation. Those are good sellers like postcards. So little tip there. Okay, now we're going to go to that folder. It is PC 866. I'm going to open up that folder, 866, right here. There we go. Yep, the same image. That's good. That means the SKU number is correct. And I'm going to go back to eBay. And again, that third photo is missing for some reason. I did this in bulk, using the bulk editing tool, and I thought I got them all, but I guess it didn't take on all the listings. There we go. Put that in there. And we'll scroll down, unposted. Yep, everything else looks fine. Oh, here's another thing I need to correct. This was from an old listing when I used to charge for shipping and offer my customers either charged or free shipping. Now I'm just doing all free shipping, so I need to remove that text from the listing. That's showing up on a couple of my listings every once in a while. Okay, the price is right, $5.25. And free shipping, yep, everything looks fine. And we're going to list that item. It's really easy to do this. If you have a lot of listings that have carried over, then it could be a little time consuming, but this is the best way in case you want to make any changes. You could use the bulk editing tool, but that way it's harder to make changes. So I'm just showing you how to do it individually. So we're going to go to the next one here. Here we go. And we're going to look at that aircraft, and it's another beautiful aircraft on the ground. And we're going to go to the 872 SKU number. Here we go, 872, 872, that's right here. And yep, same aircraft, beautiful. That means my SKU number is correct. When I sell that postcard, I'll know exactly where to find it. Okay, everything else is fine here. Yep, this one had the third photo already there. So that's good. Everything looks fine. It's unposted, yes. Okay, this one's, I'm going to sell this one for $6.20. I'm going to ask a little more for this one. It's a real close-up image of that beautiful aircraft. So I want to change that, see if it'll sell for $6.25. And everything looks fine. I'll list that. I'm going to do one more here just to show you the process so you're clear on it. Okay, I'm done. And then we're going to go over here and we're going to delete that item. And we're going to do one more here. This one right here. And check the title. Yep, that's fine. Check the photo. Looks like it's a Braniff aircraft that's about to land. That photo is there. DC number is 876. So back over to here. And 87456. Yes, same photo, exactly. Perfect. Okay. And we'll check the rest of the data. Everything looks fine. Yep. Everything looks good. Price on that. Yep. Okay. Everything's good. Alrighty. I'm going to list that item. And once again, once you're done relisting it as a sell similar, you go to I'm done now. And then I'm going to delete that file from the folder. But that's how you relist items using sell similar. And like I said, it gives it a whole new item number, and it treats it just like it's a brand new listing, and that will help you with the algorithm that eBay has. It'll hopefully give it a boost in search, and hopefully you'll sell more. Okay, so I hope that helps. If you got anything out of this video, just make sure you smash that like button, and that really helps the channel. I appreciate it. And I guess that's it for now. But you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.